Skylimis welcome you all to the target CTET July 2023 most important MCQ questions on social science. The questions from NCERT of class 6 to class 8, one of the most important questions. So we'll start with our questions. Question number 1. What determines the thickness of the soil profile? And these are the options: climate, relief, time, flora and fauna. These are the options. Okay, before discussing the thickness of the soil profile, let us see what helps in the formations of the soil profile. Okay, what helps in the formation of the soil? Number 1 we can say is the climate. Yes, climate. Number 2 we have the parent rock, or we can say, or the igneous rocks. Okay, now what is the parent rocks or igneous rocks? When after the volcanic eruptions, the magma comes out from the volcanic eruptions, and when this magma cools down, it forms the parent rocks or the igneous rocks. So this is the second factors. Number third factors, we have the organic material, and the number four we have the time. Okay, these are the four factors that helps in the formation of the soil profile. Okay, now what is the question asking? What determine the thickness of the soil profile? So what will be the right answer from this? The right answer will be the time. Time will be the right answer. How? Because due to long duration of times, the soil one after one another it started depositing, and it helps in the thickness of the soil profile. So this, the right answer will be the time will be the right answers. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Okay, next question. On the basis of the distribution, resource can be classified as, these are the options: ubiquitous and localized resource, actual and potential resource, renewable and non-renewable resource, biotic and abiotic resource. Okay, what will be the right answers? What is the question asking? On the basis of distribution, resource can be classified. So we can say one resource which we found everywhere. Okay, one who is the resource where we found everywhere, and another we can say that is the localized, that we found on a particular area. Okay, so this will be the right answer. One where we found everywhere, and one is the localized where we found on the particular areas. So what will be the right answer among the following? The right answer will be the ubiquitous and the localized resource. Ubiquitous resource are the resource that is found in everywhere. Example, we have the air. Okay, localized resource are the resource that found on some particular region. Okay, example we can say coal and petroleum also we can say. Okay, next question. Okay, which of the following statements challenges gender stereotypes? I think all of you know what is the meaning of genders, the divisions between male and female. Okay, and what is the meaning of stereotypes? That differentiate the roles between the male and female. Okay, now sometimes we say the divisions that male and females. Sometimes people used to say that in our society we see that females are very nurturing, are very emotional, and very conscious. Okay, and whereas the males are the bread earners. So this kind of divisions which we see in our society. So what is the question asking? Which of the following statements challenges the gender stereotypes? Okay, what are the statements that challenges gender stereotypes? What will be the right answer? The right answer is the women are responsible bus drivers. It challenges the statements of gender stereotypes. So this will be the right answer. Okay, next. Okay, next question. A tomb of the Sufi saint is known as, and these are the options: Dargah, Khanga, Idak, and the Gulfar Roshan. Okay, what will be the right answer? The right answer is the Dargah is the right answer. So, a tomb of the Sufi saint is known as the Dargah. Okay, next question. In the 18th century, the presidencies of Bombay, Madras, and Bengal developed from which of the following East India Company trading posts? Okay, and these are the options: Surat, Madurai, and Delhi; Surat, Madras, and Calcutta; Nagpur, Madurai, and Delhi; Pune, Madras, and Calcutta. These are the options. So, for administrating purpose, okay, the colonial India has divided into three presidencies. One is the Bombay, second is the Madras, and third is the Bengal. Okay, for administrative purpose, Bombay, Madras, and the Bengals. So, what is the question asking? The presidencies develop East India Company trading posts. Okay, the East India Company trading posts, they are developing at which part? Okay, right answer is the Surat, Madras, and the Calcutta. This is the right answers. Okay, so for administrative purpose, Bombay, Madras, and Bengal. Okay, And for the company trading posts, they are developing at Surat, Madras and Calcutta. This is the right answer. Okay, next. What constitutes the art atmospheres by percentages? That means what is the maximum amount of the gas that is present on the art? If you see the art, this is the art and the art is covered by the blanket of the gases. Okay, so what is the question asking? What is the maximum amount of the gas that is the present in the art atmospheres? Okay, we have the what? We have the nitrogen, we have the oxygen, we have the carbon dioxide, we have the number 4, we have the argons, we have the many other small gases. So what is the maximum amount of the gas that is present? That is the nitrogens carry about 78%. Okay, and oxygen we have the 21%, and carbon dioxide and all we have the 1% and all. So what is the maximum amount of gas that is present in atmospheres? That is the nitrogen, and the right answer will be the nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is the right answer. Okay, next. The depositional features of a glacier is options are laps, sea caps, moraines and the lows. Now what is slips? The laps we can simply say is an embankment in order to stop the overflow of the waters in the different parts. Okay, now what is the sea caps? Sea caps are the erosional activities created by the waters in the coastal areas. Okay, now what is moraines? Moraines simply said moraines activities from in the glacier. You have to remember moraines activities formed in the glaciers, and we can say that moraines is and the left materials formed by the glaciers when they erodes. Okay, when they erodes. Okay, what is the lows? Last point. What is the lows? Simple. Also we can say lows also played by the factors of the wind. Okay, by the factors of the wind. That means lows are formed by the what we call erosion, transportation and depositions. So when the wind started blowing, then it start whatever loose particles will be eroded and it will transported to the different parts and it will be deposited. So this is called as the loose. Okay, so what will be the right answers? The depositional features of the glaciers. From among this explanation we found number 3, it takes the place in the glaciers. So the last right answer will be the moraines. Okay, thank you for joining with me. Keep learning, keep subscribing. Thank you.